Welcome to another DelphStack tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to run windows.exe files on Ubuntu Linux. This guide is tailored for beginners who are transitioning from Windows to Ubuntu and wish to use their favorite Windows applications. Let's get started. Let's install Notepad++ on our system. First, go to your browser and search for Notepad, and click on the first link. Now you can install it normally. Now you can install it normally, just as you would on Windows. And that's it. With this method, you can run many Windows applications on Ubuntu. For more tutorials like this, like and subscribe to DelphStack.